Welcome to the Theory of Lily. Today we're going to be talking about space-time continuum. By the way, I can't spell. So, before we do anything, just saying I am not a scientist. Anything I say may or may not be true. I'm mostly making this up. Anyway, so today we're going to be talking about space-time continuum. In my last video of Theory 1, I was talking about how when you travel back in time, sorry, can't remember the date. I'm really forgetful. There we go. When you travel back in time, you would go like this. So you'd skip this period and you'd go straight to 1928. Now, the only problem with this is you don't actually go to 1928. What you would do is, so here's our timeline. So this is the year 1924, not 1928. I do not know what I'm saying today. Oh yeah, it is 1928. Whew, don't know what I am saying. Anyway, so what you would do is, well, because numbers are numbers, they will always go in a certain order. So what you would do is you take your time traveling machine and you'd go to the number or the year 1928. But you wouldn't actually go to our 1928. You see, you would create a new space-time continuum, which is what I said originally. But what I don't pick up on is that you're creating a new parallel universe. If any of you watch Back to the Future, they do pick up on space-time continuum when explaining the science of the time machine. But what they don't get is the parallel universe part of it. What you do is, this here has already happened. This here is happening whilst you were here. Everything that happens in 1928 happens in this year here. But anything that you change, for example, if you invent a mobile phone in 1928. That's right, mobile phone. It wouldn't affect this universe, which is the one that we are originally from. It would affect this universe, which is the one that you have travelled through. Right. Now I'm going to talk about how they don't affect each other. So here is 2016. And imagine that Hitler was born in 1892, which actually may be correct, but I don't know because I am thinking everything. Anyway, you want to stop World War I or II, I don't know. So you travel back to 1892. This is baby Hitler. Meet baby Hitler. He's going to have a moustache. I don't know what's up with his eyes. Okay, that's baby Hitler. So, this is baby Hitler's universe. This is the parallel universe that you have created to the new space-time continuum line that you have created. And this here is the original one. So, imagine if you kill baby Hitler in this one. That means everything that you have done in this world, in this one here, will affect the rest of this parallel universe. So let's say you meet your great-grandpa, and then you kill him. He's probably not alive, but oh well. Let's say you kill your grandpa in 1892, your great-grandpa. That means you probably won't come alive in this 2016. So, quite confusing, I know. Anyway, we're going to talk a little bit more about numbering. It's very weird. So, what happens before? So, we're going to start. So, over here is 1892. Here is 18. Oh no. I'm so confused about my numbering today. And I had maths as well. And I had a test. Don't know how I'm going to pass. This is 1891. This is 1890, and this is 1892. So, by the way, there's a lot of time gap there, but, okay. So, everything, so this here is our world. So, this is our world, our universe. Here is the parallel universe. So, here's the parallel universe is 1890. Parallel universe is 1891. Parallel universe is 1892, and then 2016. If this one here is the parallel universe one, these will be identical. These are exactly the same. So anything that happens in these 2 years will be exactly identical. But if you come into 1892, these ones will. This is when it starts to change. Confusing, I know. Okay, we're going to use the Hitler example again. I want to kill Hitler and stop the world wars. That probably won't happen because some other random dictator will come and take over the world. Yeah, so here is our universe world. Yes, this is our space-time continuum. 2016. Here is 1892. I kill Hitler. You travel back in time to creating your new space-time continuum. Kill Hitler. So there's Hitler. There's Hitler. Here we go. We got to draw his body and his legs and his arms and then his head and then his hat with the Nazi sign. Anyway, we kill Hitler in this 1892. Then, this parallel universe will be affected by Hitler's death. But this universe will not be. Do you guys get that? I don't know. But that's basically the space-time continuum for you. But imagine this. You travel back in time. Okay, so here's 2016 and here's 2014. To 2014, you meet yourself. Yes, that is me. Hello, me. They don't look anything alike, but I don't care. Anyway, let's say I'm me. No, we shall not dissolve, we shall not explode, but we should just be very confused. Let's say that you brought the 2014 version of yourself to 2016. Then you both get a time machine and you both travel back in time. This will then create two, or somebody else, space-time every time you travel back in time, basically, you create a new space-time continuum. And they are basically new alternate universes. I can't spell. Anyway, moving on. So what you would do, now there are millions and millions and millions of parallel universes every time you travel in time. So let's say I traveled in time 300 times. And each time I went to the same year. And each time I did the same thing. But then maybe I might have tweaked a little thing. That means there are 300 parallel universes. That's right. All doing exactly the same thing except the things that I have tweaked. So, let's say I make a chocolate bar. Yes, this is my chocolate bar. And then I give it to somebody in 1922. And I do that the same. But in each one, they are all different flavours. Then I'm going to have, and I've done this 300 times, okay? Then I'm going to have 300 parallel universes, all with different types of chocolate bars. It's weird. But I think that's all we have time for the video today. It's quite long and very confusing. If you do have any questions, please do just comment. And also just let me know what other videos you want me to do. This one was really bad. But oh well, it's just the theory of me. Or Lily. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye!